In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can notify your followers whenever you post to your story on Instagram. This increases your chances of engagement, hence growing a huge fan base on your platform. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. Then add any story. Before sharing your story to public, tap right here on the sticker icon. Then select Notify. This allows your followers to turn notifications on for your content with this sticker. Every time you post to your story, they will get notified that you shared to your story. If you don't have the Notify sticker, make sure to update to the latest Instagram version. That's how easy it is to get your followers notified whenever you post to your Instagram story. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.